darling, as we swayed beneath the soft moonlight. Your beauty took my breath and made the whole world right. I pulled you close to share a kiss so sweet and slow. But then a tickle rose inside my quivering nose. Oh baby, I sneezed, which made me fart, which made me poop a little. A tiny warm surprise that solved love's greatest riddle. Now there's a mushy secret nestled in my shorts. My perfect moment ruined by these bodily reports. You gazed at me with eyes so full of trust and grace, while panic filled my soul and sweat ran down my face. The fart slipped out so sneaky, wet and full of dread. Then came the little gift that slid right down instead. Yes, darling, I sneezed, which made me fart, which made me poop a little. A sneaky shard attack that left me feeling brittle. A chocolate calling card now warms between my cheeks. Yet still I love you more with every passing week. I tried to clench real tight, I prayed it wouldn't show, but gravity conspired and let the brown stuff flow.